Real-time GIS and situational awareness provides us the ability to integrate, analyze and visualize various data sources. In the current times, it brings value add to many government and private organizations to understand what is happening near to the assets which is very critical to them. Decision makers can get clarity by integrating these situational awareness applications, that whether they have to coordinate with specific teams or they have to take some specific decisions which will be impacting their critical assets. We can perform location analytics to derive informed decisions about our assets, people and customers. I would like to thank GeoSpark, ISRI partner, who provided us with this incident feed. They are also providing AI based results for scores and sentimental analysis results. I can take you to a demonstration wherein I have integrated this real-time information to GeoEvent server. This allows us to ingest voluminous data, and here you can see the analytic which is running is giving me the real-time incidents and identifying critical assets which is getting impacted. So here I have used some out-of-box processors and filters to identify the incidents which is happening to the vicinity of my critical assets across the country. To understand this, you can see I am using GeoTagger, Field Enricher, these kind of out-of-box processors and filters. And let me take you to the output which I have created with this output data sources. This is the situational awareness operational dashboard, which gives us understanding of type of incidents which is happening, whether it is a terrorism, health related or transportation related, disaster related incidents. We can have states which is getting impacted. So in the last couple of days, which state got impacted and how many incidents have been detected, what is the incident type and where exactly in which city it is happening. It is also give us the stability score for the country, and it is also giving us a stability score for last 7 days. We have different filters here, asset type wise also we can filter, and if we select a specific bank, it will give only those incidents which is affecting banks. Similarly, we can have filters for asset types, whether it is a crime, a terrorism activity, etc. This also gives a facility to select a specific date range. It can be for couple of months or for a month, and it will help us to understand what is the impact which is creating in a specific area to the critical assets. Now, it is not just the dashboard. There are other products which also can be used from ISRI to explore this data further. Example, ArcGIS Insights, which is a data exploratory workbench which helps us to deep dive into the data which is coming in, which is really voluminous in nature. So you can see I have created multiple cards here by just dragging and dropping this specific service which is disseminated from GeoEvent server, and it is creating me with a hotspot in which cities incidents are being detected, which states are impacting more with different type of incidents. So you can see Maharashtra is the state which is impacted mostly for last 3-4 days, and what are the type of crimes which is happening, health related incidents which is reported. Also the type of cards which is very interactive in nature. If I select a specific element, which will be reflecting in all other cards, which is very dynamic, and it gives us the clarity that whether which asset in which state, what type of incident is impacting, and with this information we can also analyze how many of my employees are impacted with this. This also easy with sharing with organizations. So it creates, when you drag and drop different analytics, it creates a graph and helps to share it among the organizational members who are the different analysts. So this helps to summarize that incident detection and situational awareness workflows in ArcGIS With real time data coupled with location intelligence opens opportunities to various agencies, whether it is government or private, to understand how many incidents are happening and which is the critical assets getting impacted with it. And it is not just for the assets, it is for the people related to these assets, and it can help organization to take informed decisions on the right time. Thank you.